Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to update your GitHub plan. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register if you haven't already created a GitHub profile. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us. In the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have our home issues and those things on the left. In the top right, we have some things about your profile. So as you can see, you have your profile, your stars, your gifts, the settings, and everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and update your GitHub plan. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So in the upper right corner of any page on GitHub, click your profile photo. So as you can see in the top right corner, we have the profile photo here. Then click settings, which is down here as you can see. When you click settings, in the access section of the sidebar, so you need to go to the access section of the sidebar, you need to go and find it, of course, which is of course here as you can see. There you just need to go and click billing and plans. So you could click on billing and plans, which is here guys, as you can see, and plans and usage. Next to current plan, click upgrade. So plans and usage, and then you need to go and click upgrade, which is here. As you can see, this green button, and your plan will be upgraded. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.